So packing, I had 2 of these big bags that I brought with gifts. Everything's gone. I've only got this 1 bag left, which is not even half full. Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're doing well. Guys, I am in Lahore at the airport. I had no time to make a video. I'm just going to let you know where I'm going. I'm going to Australia, back to Brisbane, but via China in Guangzhou, which is going to be a very challenging experience. I'll tell you why, but I'm just getting in the plane now. I'll give you more information in a bit. Hi, how are you going? Hi, how are you?
Yeah, this week.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are in. So guys, this is on the plane. Entertainment screen, you've got music, movies. It's actually a pretty reasonable flight. Tray table, got a coffee holder. You've got 3 in the middle, 4 in the middle, 2 on the side and 2 on the other side. It's about 6 hours altogether. When I get there, I'll tell you some important information. And by the way, it's my birthday tomorrow. Tonight, I mean. I'm in China. I'll tell you the story. I'm here not because I have to visit or anything. I've only literally got an hour and a half left. The reason why I'm here is because China Southern Airlines took out my drone batteries on my way to Pakistan from my baggage. And then it was a big nightmare to contact them, to get them to find them as well. They found him. The problem is I've only got an hour and a half and they're open in about half an hour. And then I'll have about 1 hour to collect the batteries, go through the immigration and do the whole lot. Hopefully we'll make it. I'm actually very happy that they let me in, even though I've only had an hour and a half before my next flight. Sometimes, the immigration would say, no, you can't go just because, there's not enough time. Lucky here, hopefully I'll find the place where it is. Hopefully we can get the batteries and then hopefully we can catch our next flight as well. Actually, 5th time in China. Because I've cleared immigration, obviously going through the baggage claim, which I'm not claiming because my bags are all checked in all the way through. So we're just going to bypass that and go through the security. This is the arrivals terminal. We've got lots of signs. I was here a couple of weeks ago to obviously go to the city. There's buses and taxis and everything. And it's quite modern as well. I'm looking for gate number 51. Lady said it's that way, so hopefully we can find it soon. I found him. They're here. It's closed. Open at 9 o'clock. Hopefully they're open at 9, otherwise I'll miss my flight. My flight's at 10 and it starts boarding at 9:20, so I've got literally 20 minutes to go through immigration, customs, everything, security. So hopefully it should be okay. Help me to call them up on the phone and they might come a little bit early. Anyways, the reason why I was late in Karachi, in Lahore, was because my parents celebrated my birthday and my brother as well. They surprised me. They invited everyone in the family and it was just massive. It was amazing. Had a great time. This is my second pre-birthday. My birthday is actually today. So I was flying overnight and I'm going to be flying to Brisbane today as well. And we'll be celebrating my birthday tonight as well. Which is going to be fun as well. One of my friends invited me, so it's going to be good. Let's see, hopefully we get our batteries, which is why I'm here, and hopefully I don't miss my flight as well. Stay tuned for the updates. Mission accomplished. I've received those 3 batteries. I would have loved to have them in Pakistan to make some videos, but that's okay. Nonetheless, I've got them. So let's now go and find the departures. So here we are upstairs at the departures. I've already got our boarding passes, so we're just going to head straight through to the security and then to immigration. So guys, finally mission accomplished. Really tired, just running around that 3.5 hours. I don't know where they went, but I've got everything sorted. A couple of people wished me happy birthday, the immigration lady and the lady at the boarding counter who I went to see for something. Anyways, we're all through. Let me show you the duty free and then we'll head straight to the gate. Here we are, guys. This is Terminal 2. Not a massive duty free, but they've still got quite a fair bit. It is a half decent size terminal. Lots of airlines obviously as well. We need to find gate number 168, which looks like it's on the right. Let me show you the plane and then we'll be flying to Brisbane and then I'll show you Brisbane as well, so stay tuned. Literally the last person to board the flight and it's been the case a bit, lately, but for all reasons. So, guys, this is the duty free. It's quite small. They're doing a lot of renovations at Brisbane Airport, so they're gonna do a massive expansion. But you still have this small duty free if you want to get some stuff from here. So, guys, just landed. 9 hours flight was pretty good, quite comfortable. Just want to let you know this is arrival card. Sorry, you got to fill this out properly. It's a legal document, so if you are carrying anything, you need to declare it on there. I'm gonna pick up my bags. My friend's already here. We're going out to celebrate my birthday, and yeah, it was quite pleasant. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.